This triple-layer Neapolitan slab cake is reminiscent of a tub of Neapolitan ice cream. It's so colorful and fun, everyone will enjoy it. Ingredients: 300 grams butter softened, 1 cups caster sugar, 3 eggs, 1 tbsp vanilla essence, 3 cups self-raising flour, 1 cup milk, pink food coloring, 2 tbsp cocoa, 1 tbsp milk extra, colorful sprinkles. For icing, 250 grams butter softened, 3 cups icing sugar, sifted, pink food coloring. Method: preheat oven to 180°C. Grease and line 3 18cm x 25cm sliced tins. In a stand mixer or using handheld beaters, cream butter and sugar until soft. Add eggs one at a time, beating well between each addition. Beat in vanilla. Add flour and milk and beat until just combined. Divide batter into 3 equal portions. Use a few drops of pink food coloring stirred through one portion to make a pink batter. Add cocoa and 1 tbsp extra milk to the second to create a chocolate batter. Leave the third portion plain. Make icing by beating together butter with icing sugar. Add pink food coloring to create your desired color. Once cakes are cool, place chocolate layer on a serving board. Spread icing thickly over the cake. Top with pink cake and another layer of icing. Finish with plain cake and spread remaining icing over the top. Add sprinkles.